You know where you're going?
Okay.
To jail.
You're going into jail. So you need to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
Well, first what I want you to do is put your hands right here. Alright?
Yeah, that's you can try it, but I don't think they're going to.
I don't think so either.
And you can justify it.
Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Never mind, I'll text you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not.
Barely.
No.
Not worth it, just...
Yeah.
Alright, your hands are too small.
You know, on its face, it may not seem like a big injury, but children do suffer significant injuries during their formative years when the people who they're supposed to be able to trust misuse their authority and break that trust. And that's what happened here.
Keep your hands in front of you like this, okay? When he takes it off.
Alright, come on.
Follow this officer.
Huh? He just left. He just left.
Come on, when you
Okay.
go walk between us.
Follow him.